Um, Hi, my name is Ava. Um, my name is Ava Dimas, and I am in third period. And my dream job is to be an epidemiologist. Um, I have the information written down here on my computer. Um, One moment. Is this good? Like this be good? Okay. I think that's just how it's gonna be. Anyway, um, yeah, the name of the career is epidemiologist. What they do, they investigate disease outbreaks, they monitor health trends, they identify risk factors of diseases, and then they come up with public health policies on the job. They communicate research findings on various types of diseases to health practitioners, policymakers, the public. They overall just like investigate diseases or parasites to determine like the risk factors, progress, life cycle, or mode of transition of said disease or parasite. So they're basically like a disease detective. Knowledge, a lot of math, arithmetic, algebra, geometry, calculus, or statistics, biology, English language, medicine, computers, and electronics. Skills, reading work-related information, thinking about pros and cons of different ways to solve a problem, figuring out how a system should work, and figuring out how a system should work and how changes in the future will affect said system. Abilities, listen and understand what people say, notice when problems happen, see hidden patterns, add, subtract, multiply, divide, make general rules, and come up with answers from a lot of detailed information. I'm out of breath and I don't know why. Personality, analytical thinkers, integrity, attention to detail, initiative, dependable, cooperative, technology that they use, different types of software, so analytical or scientific software, presentation software, geographical information systems, um, education. Education. What what you usually need is like a master's degree or postdoctoral training. The average salary is about $83,980. 83,980. And then the Arizona salary is $79,417. And then the steps that you take to become an epidemiologist is you first you get a bachelor's degree in epidemiology or public health. And then the second step would be to like hone your skills, like hone the skills that you need to be an epidemiologist, which are problem solving, communication, collaboration, math, statistics, and most importantly, data analysis. And then the third and final step would be to get a master's degree in public health. But then there's really a fourth step, which is actually the final step. Excuse me. the final step would be to actually like apply and get the job. I don't know. Also, I have a pet chinchilla in my room, so if you're hearing a bunch of background noise, that's him. His name is Baxter. He's pretty cool. And now to make this creative, I will now do my impression of an epidemiologist.